Hi guys, welcome back to our complete web development course. In this video, we will learn some basics about HTML language. So without any further intro, let's get started. Basics of HTML. HTML is a language which is used for creating web pages. A web page may contain a set of images, videos, paragraphs, data, tables and more. Let's understand the basics of HTML with this simple HTML document. So, this is the simple HTML document, also known as boilerplate. We have already discussed about what this boilerplate exactly is and how can we write it with just one shortcut button. If you wanted to know, then watch our previous video. Link is in the description. So, in this boilerplate, the very important point is that the visible part of the HTML document that everyone can see is placed between body tags. Now let's understand some basics like HTML headings, paragraphs, links and more. HTML headings. HTML includes 6 levels of headings, which are defined with H1 and H6 tags. Here H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. Let's clearly understand this with a simple practical example here. We will gonna write 3 headings, H1, H2 and H6. Now if we run this code, you can see that heading 1 is greater in size than other headings, and we usually use it to highlight an important text. Heading 2 is smaller in size than heading 1 and heading 6 is very small. You can try it yourself by using any text editor or simply using Notepad. Comments in HTML. Comments help us to add extra information about the code. Browser does not display comments. Here is how you can add comments in HTML. As you can see here, browser does not display the comment. HTML paragraphs. Paragraphs in HTML are defined with p tag. Here is how we can write paragraphs in HTML. HTML links. We use a tag to define the HTML links. For example, href attribute are used to declare the link's destination. We will learn more about attributes in the upcoming videos. So, that is for today. I hope you guys like it. Share this video with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So you next time. Till then.